the drain backed up, and it's also leaking. Yeah, it wasn't in tight. So we'll pop it apart. It's holding water. There's probably a bunch of crap out there in the drain. We'll pop it apart. See what's going on, right? Ooh. That's nasty. She's holding some water in there. Wow. Well, there's a problem. The pipe's only about a foot deep. I don't see anything. Let me check the stopper, make sure there's nothing in the sink drain. Oh, that don't want to come out. Oh, I'm hitting drywall, that's why. These installers are lazy. There's nothing in the hole. Turn it around. A little bit of right on it. There we go. Put that back together real quick. See what's going on with this drain. I can't see anything in there. No, it's clear. I'd say the reason why it was backed up or slowed down is because of this. The pipe's right there. The drop is right there. So I need to cut about 3 inches off that pipe. That's probably all that's wrong with it. There's really nothing in the drain besides a bunch of sludge. Clean that up a little bit. And then this part right here, I have plenty of adjustments. So I'll take this out to the car and cut that down because I don't have my tool bag in here with me. Alright, so I cut off about 4 inches of that pipe. I bet it flows a lot better now. Get the bucket out of the way. That's the other problem. There's no keeper ring on this. And double check, make sure it's not in the toilet or in the bucket. No, that's what's wrong with it. It's out of gas. See what I'm saying? There's no, there's a nut, but there's no ring on it. So I'm gonna try it real quick. I just want to see if it's gonna back up anymore. We'll just add a little water before I have to run back out to the car. So that's what I hate, man. Every time I leave my bag in the car. What the freak, bro? Heck, this is too long. I think that needs to be cut down. Well, guess I'm going back out to the car. Jeez. There, fellas. This drain is just a hair too long. I'm bottoming out before I can get up there. So I need to cut off about an inch. So, take a little tool, and it goes in this hole. Push down your trigger, slide it up, and you just go to town on it. Just spin it around a couple times. There you go. Okay, so it's nice and coked down. Nut, a washer, slide up. And now I can get this on proper. That way it sits, it seats itself the way it's supposed to. It's a mushroom, baby. I put that mushroom together. That way it's all sitting proper. Now I'm gonna run a little water. Let's see if she backs up. While that's running, I'll go ahead and tighten everything up. She's not backing up, so that being shoved against the back of that pipe was probably all the problem was. That little gunk that was in the pipe. Because this is the main drop. There's clean out. Anyways, this is only, it's a 2.5 inches on the inside of the pipe. And it was pushed against the back of the wall. So, it's running good now. Okay, running good. Another fix by the Rayman. Have a good day.